telling you now, this is the best engine that's ever been built. This engine won 10 World Rally Championships in Lancias and Fiat. This car won 6 World Rally Championships. It's the best car ever built.
I see it's a twin cam, so it must be a 16 valve, is it?
No, of course not. 4-cylinder, 8 valves. Inlet cam, exhaust cam, with perfect placement of the spark plugs. What more do you need?
Why 8 valves though?
Why not? You get better torque with 8 valves.
Fair enough.
Although the late ones did have 16 valves.
But does it run on oil?
No, race fuel only.
Fair enough. Actually, I've got an even more important test for this car. See, look. It doesn't even pass the custard test. It's a piece of shit.